Okay, now we have item number 1. We have Jaquan on the left and we have Angelina on the right. You guys can turn around. Okay. Do not look. You guys, this is the first item. Okay. Let's see. Go easy. The easy you don't want to make. You don't want to.
This is my slime. This is an egg.
Oh
my god.
The final guess?
I think this is a
final guess.
egg. This is a wait a minute.
Angelina got it. Yeah. It's an egg. It's an egg.
I felt the yolk part.
But you didn't guess it right.
Oh my god, I knew it. I hate it.
All right, let me see.
I got right. What?
Angelina guessed it first.
I guessed it.
Angelina guessed it first.
I predicted it.
You predicted it, but you didn't say it.
I didn't get 4 Gigi.
But you didn't say it. You didn't.
I predicted it.
Corey, second item. Turn around. Jai. Second item we are going to do. Item number 2. Come on, Corey. Item number 2.
She touched my stuff.
Alrighty, let's see. Item number 2. On the count of 3, you turn around. 1, 2, 3.
Beat. Yeah, beat.
No, don't be shouting answers. You got 2 guesses, so.
Salt. I said salt.
Nope.
Those are. Wait a minute.
One more guess. Don't say nothing.
What? This is. I'm guessing. Salt? He just said salt twice.
Your final answers. Can you guess it?
Is it crushed up dog food?
No.
No.
That's it. You didn't guess. Bacon bits. Take it out, Lee. Corey, the third item. Turn around, guys, backwards. Turn around, Jai, backwards.
I smelled it. I hate this.
Third item, Cordavius.
I hate it.
So the score is 1-0. Look, you can't even see Jai back there. He's so short. Put your hand up, Jai. Put your hand up. Just your hand. He's there, you guys. He's there. Okay, this is item number 3. Now, this one. Be very, very careful when you put your hand in. You might not want to go real fast. Come on, Jai. Go. Oh, watch.
Oh, what is this?
Wait, watch, Jai.
It's a mouse trap.
Oh!
I felt the side. I'm not playing with you. No.
It's not set.
Okay.
You guys, it is not set. Just to let you know. It is a mouse trap, and
I felt the corner, and I seen that on the
it is a mouse trap, and it is not set.
I seen it on the freezer, so I knew it. I knew you were gonna get it eventually.
Oh yeah.
I felt
Corey, item number 4.
corner.
Calm down. This is a ratchet. What's in the box challenge, you guys?
Cookie. Can we go? Oh, I hear
and just stick your arm in. Do not look, Angelina. Do not look.
What is this? What is this? Peanut butter.
Nope. One more guess, Shy.
Mayo.
Nope.
Oh, I'm gonna puke. What is this?
Ah! Don't look.
Is it ketchup?
Nope.
Ugh.
One more guess. And Ange, you should know this one.
Slime.
Nope, Jai, you don't get any more.
Conditioner?
Nope. Everything is.
Jello. I feel it. I smell it.
What is it, Ange?
It's strawberry.
How do you know what it is, Ange?
No, give me it.
How do you know what it is,
I need
Ange?
that for my cake. No, I want it. No.
All right. Go, guys. Go turn your eyes. Turn your eyes. Cordavius. Item number 5. Right now, it's 2-1. Or is it?
It's 2-2.
No, it's not.
It's 2-1. No, I got 2.
It's 1-1.
Yeah.
2 you didn't get right. Corey. Ding, ding, ding. We have a delay in our assistant. And our assistant.
Corey.
No, it is.
If you take my chicken.
Chill, Jaquan.
Can I turn around?
No, not yet. You can't. You guys, here is the 5th item. Wait a minute. And Cordavius, find the 6th item. While they're guessing this. You can put your hand in. Watch out, though.
Wait a minute. So.
Nope.
Well, let me touch it. She takes it from
Put it in. Angie.
She cheated.
We're going to have one more bonus one. One more bonus one. We're going to have one. She did, but she did. She guessed it.
That's cheating.
All right, so we're going to have a bonus one.
Cheating.
Cheating, huh? But she guessed it still.
No, that's cheating because I
Jai,
took it back.
don't be a bad sport.
She took it. Turn around. And they saw it. I see it yellow. Nope, they saw it.
That's okay. Well, then Cordavius get another item. Stay turned around.
The coin's just gonna. It's 3-1. No, 2-1. 2-2. No, it's not. You didn't get 2.
It is 2-1. Do not put it in there, Corey. Now, you guys, be very careful with this, please, when you do. Don't take it, don't move it. Don't move it and don't take it.
What is
it? Watch out. And
it's a mouse trap.
no. We got one more guess.
Peanut butter jar.
Jai got it.
Peanut butter on it. Yeah, I didn't even go in it. I didn't go in it. I just felt the side because I cleaned it out and I felt the peanut butter on it. Be very careful with it. Be very careful with some peanut butter. Okay.
So you guys.
All I did was this.
So you guys, that was our What's in the Box challenge.
Handle with care.
Yeah.
We put it inside, but I
We will be filming another challenge right after this. I'm going to edit this. I'm going to put it up. Do not forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe. And join us in Tanya's world.